नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। और दोस्तों, आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 61 और जो मेरा टारगेट है उसके लिए डे रह रहे हैं ओनली 308 डेज। सो लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी माय टुडेज शेड्यूल। So as you can see, today is 23rd of July, and but before today's schedule, let us see what how much I have achieved from my yesterday's schedule. What was my how much I got from yesterday's schedule. From friends, I am very happy to announce that I have achieved yesterday my full target, that is technique learning. Yesterday, that is 22 of July, I did this during this time technique learning, and I did GS for half of this topic, public service values and ethics in administration. I did this during this time, and during this retrieval time I did second time retrieval of this week's subject. Okay, you can say second revision. Okay, and then from 10 to 11 I did COB and marginal gain. So friend, I am very much happy just due to your support and consistency, because I have accountability towards you. When you watch, when you comment on this my progress report, then it gives me motivation to achieve my target. So friends, it's my humble request, so please subscribe this channel. It will give me more motivation to achieve my goal. Okay, so let us move see what is my today's schedule. Today is 23rd of July. So I will do as you know, today is Sunday, and Sunday I will do revision. Okay, so 9 to 10 I will do techniques learning, and rest of the day I will do revision of whatever I have studied during this last month. Okay, so yes, during this last month whatever I have studied I will do its revision. So 11 to 12 I will do sociology unit 4 revision, and then 1 to 2 I will do GS1 revision, Indian art and culture. 2 to 3 I will do international relation, 3 to 4 security, and 4 to 5 I will do ethics and human interface, attitude and aptitude. So whole syllabus is covered under this schedule, and this 6 to 8 is my buffer time. If anything remaining out of this, I will do that thing during this time. Then 9 to 10 I will do planning of next week, whatever I will study during next week, and from 10 to 11 I will do COB, marginal gain and research and development. Friend, never think it's a very vague schedule, because it is in my subconscious mind to take 15-minute break after each study schedule. Okay, 15-minute break after each study schedule. So effectively it is 45 is to 15. This is my ratio of study versus break. So I will apply this rule during this schedule. Hope I will achieve. Let us see tomorrow's target report, how much I have achieved. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.